in an idyllic spring basket, in cozy wall mounts, in an adorable Kitteh Cup, in color-coded file holders, Haphaphazardly Stacked by Bagful, air drying, in Bunk Hammocks, in a bunch of buckets, with their eye on the prize, lining your shelves, in Cozy Cubicles, in an adorably lopsided pyramid, in a circular kitty formation, in a shoe, on a Scenic Log.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.